We're waiting for our cargo. To drive around the airport, what permission do you need?
So, are we there? And I hope the cargo's coming.
British weather in Germany. Let's see what's gonna be in Britain. And now we have to really calculate. This guy invented new forklift. Auto caution is off, prop sync off, confirm seatbelt off. We are all getting tired, guys.
London Fairfleet 101, request descent. Fairfleet 101, thank you, cleared on. Contact tower 118.305.
So this was the flight. Hi everyone, my name is Konstantin Fechenko. I'm here with Daniele, first officer. We are in Cologne and we have a flight to Birmingham. We are here just for a short smoke. This is the smoking place. People pop in and out. Sometimes you can see the big tug for the aeroplane coming over here just for a smoke, and then he's leaving. We have some British weather in Germany, and we have some German weather in England. Today it was sunny in England and rainy in Germany. We're waiting for our cargo and for our handler. He told us to wait here. Time to go and check what's he doing there. Hello.
Oh,
Hi. Again.
You were the one calling. Okay, Alice, okay,
Ready in 5 minutes.
Oh,
and it's just 850 kilos, so maybe a few things, you know. So
yeah,
just
and we don't have to pay anything here?
for the coffee,
No, for coffee we pay it.
you have 5,000 euros. Then pay me now, and then I'll be very happy.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Auf Wiedersehen.
So as soon as I see the email, I will send somebody to bring the cargo.
Okay.
To the aircraft. Then you load and then you can go.
Thanks. Oh, it's getting rainy more and more. I make YouTube vlog, it's okay with you? I was standing outside and I thought it's such a good day today, good weather, why not to make a vlog? What's your name? Kelvin, is it
Kelvin.
right? Kelvin is like the one who invented the temperature measure, right? Kelvin. Das ist ein großer Flughafen.
Yep.
Poor people.
All positions full with airplanes going to Turkey.
To drive around the airport, what permission do you need? I think subscribers would be interested. Like, is there anyone who cannot drive on the taxi on this line? Who can cross taxiway? Who can not drive at all?
I drive with this car
Yes.
on the streets,
Yes.
around the airport, on the street. We can drive on the taxiway with pushback. Because we must calling the ground, and then when I was crossing from this side of Delta to the other Delta on this taxiway, I call the ground and I want to crossing.
And do you have transponder in this car?
In the pushbacks, yeah.
Yeah, but not in this car.
In
yeah.
this car, no. And all underground equipment is not ground equipment. It's a normal car. And the ground equipment we have transponders. Because on the pushbacks and the ground see on the over the tower, he see the positions from the pushbacks and the other vehicles. So, are we there? And I hope the cargo's coming.
That is very interesting excursion. And the rain has almost stopped. British weather in Germany. Let's see what's gonna be in Britain.
Bogdan, where is the cargo? Probably we have to load from B1 section.
We will see because we don't know. Well, I will go and
So
check now
I-
how much.
I put here about 1 tons because should be about flight plan should be 1 tons.
So
And-
this is calculation of our mass and balance. You can see we are within limits.
7 pallets, 1 to 4, 84.99.
The cargo is not there yet, so we are just guessing. I think it's really boxes, not pallets.
This one.
Cargo is here. So the calculation was right. It was big cargo starting from B1. You are right. Okay, so every pallet has a different weight. So the first pallet is 1 pallet, but then if we put 2, so every pallet is 130 something kilograms, you know?
Yeah, but we are checking.
So we have a little problem. We cannot take this pallet in with this machine, therefore we have to use rig. They put this on the nose of this machine and then they will bring it like on the forklift. They don't have forklift. And now we have to really calculate what it's gonna be. So it's gonna be 7 meters from section B2. This is our section B2. Okay, we know that every section is 1 meter and 30 and we will occupy 7.5 meters, I think.
Kostya,
Yes.
what do you prefer? Little bit in front
Yes.
or little bit left? Because here, if we start from B1, it's appear here. If not appear here,
No, I think better like this from B1.
from B1.
Looking good. Let's listen for weather report and then ask for clearance and see the departure and everything while loading is being attempted. One quick calculation. 9 pallets with the length of 80, 7 meters and 20 centimeters, which means 720 split by 130. We will occupy 5.5 sections here from B2 until B7 and half of B1, or we will occupy from B1 until B6 plus half of B7. Makes sense, right? Technician, he says that we will continue our loading till the morning if we continue this way. This is Bogdan.
Wait.
I think this guy invented no new forklift. We almost finished loading. It's time to do walk around. On walk around I checked that propeller is in good shape, that the spinner is there, checking the turbine, oil, tires, brakes, landing lights, boots, level of fire extinguishing agent, then stall, angle of attack sensor, and here hydraulic gauges, main emergency outboard accumulator and inboard accumulator, condition of landing gear bay, hydraulic gauge, hydraulic fluid, and tires and taxi light. And the same I do on the other side. And meanwhile it's time to finish this British cake and German coffee. Yum.
Perform memory added emergency checklist, normal checklist, and have to come back probably in the field.
Okay.
Probably here, or we'll see if new approach for running one for left. Any question, suggestion?
No questions, just one suggestion is to make acceleration altitude in case of failure lower, 1000 feet, because we are 300 feet elevation, and to get 1500 is too high. If we have one fire, for
1000
example.
feet. Oh, we are ready.
Let's see what's happening there. Так, що тут? Раз, два, три. Cargo documents, please, because we cannot depart without cargo documents. So while we're waiting for documents, it's time to update some weather. We are using ForeFlight here, and it has very interesting weather, including weather radar plotted on the map. So the weather looks like this in Germany. Britain looks nice. Satellite weather and enhanced satellite. Before this we were using Jepson Mobile FD, and I think that ForeFlight bought the Jepson Mobile FD or Jepson bought ForeFlight. Write in comment what do you think, who bought whom, but I think Jepson bought ForeFlight, of course. As well as this, we can also put this arrival and departure right inside. So the departure we already have, but we can do this procedure: departure November Victor Oscar 2 Foxtrot. We can look how things look like. Okay, for example, we can see different departures, and then we add to route this departure, and we have it here, and we also get this departure automatically charted on your iPad. Isn't it good?
Check. 20.
Left your on.
Left is on.
Ignition now. Brake controls.
Your control.
And GATT and fuel flow.
Check. Engine on.
Check. Cut down. We'll check the rollback stabilized, engine panel and fuel panel. Climb checklist: gear flaps up, takeoff inhibitor out, cabin pressure checked, rising, bleed, high pressure valves checked, hydraulics, electrical checked, fuel checked, auto course is off, prop sync off, confirm, seat off, confirm, FI stop out, altimeters 1013, climb checklist completed to level 100.
Thank you.
And
Autopilot engaged.
checked. And one kept.
Fleet 101, proceed direct Costa. That's Charlie Oscar Alpha, climb flight level 220.
Direct Charlie Oscar Alpha, climb level 220, Fairfleet 101.
46 Alpha Kilo, descent flight level 180.
I think 200 is enough.
Flight level 180,
Should I say we keep 200?
Yeah, I think it's better. We have a lot of wind.
Okay, yeah.
46 Alpha Kilo.
Time to take blasters out. Now it's better, huh?
Yeah. Our FMS is already preselected with ML1 Bravo arrival runway 15, but should be rather, now we are in under ending mode, should be rather vectoring till this boost at or well in then direct to Onely, and they'll probably radar vectoring for runway 15, as usual.
Okay.
Our chart, I have to set already 110.1. Selected on my side, pre-selected it.
So what we do at the moment is we set the final approach course. For this we have to leave the mode of GPS, which is now, you can see here, the navigation goes to GPS. Actually we are now in heading mode, but anyways, we have to leave the GPS mode, select heading mode, and then select the course. You can see it's rotating here, 146. I put it back, we rotate with these knobs, right and left, and this is for heading. That's the procedure. Okay, sorry, so I put LRN back. Continue, sorry.
We intercept the localizer at 2,500 feet, distance 6.7 from India Bravo, India Romeo. ILS decision altitude for us is 503 feet. Elevation runway 303 feet. Minimum sector altitude for us is 2,500. We have the puppy on the left side of the runway with high intensity approach light system Cat 2.
Copied.
RPR for us is 550 meters. Miss it approach, climb straight ahead to 1000, then turn right onto 166 degrees to 3000, then as directed.
Okay.
After landing, as usual, vacate via Lima 1 or Golf stand 501.
Okay, no question.
London, good evening, Fairfleet 101, level 200 to Berlin.
Fairfleet 101, good evening, continue the heading and report the heading.
Continue present heading 285, Fairfleet 200, correction 101.
I'm just saying 200 because it's level. Yeah, we are all getting tired, guys. I'm just saying 200 because we have level 200 here. So yeah, Berlin heading mode. So when we were given heading, the pilot flying today is Daniele, sets heading with this knob, and then he selects the autopilot mode to heading, from nav to heading, and then airplane follows this small pink bug. Wherever you set, it goes. For example, left, right.
We are in negative. That's all. Nothing. We can prepare descent checklist. Probably I can do for you.
Yep. Okay, so descent checklist, approach
Yes,
briefing,
completed.
ice protection.
Not required that at the moment.
Check flight instruments, radius, set, cabin pressure checked and set here.
Already set.
Fuel balance checked, speed box, my side to go, your side set, and CTOT, continuous takeoff thrust. It's like auto throttle, but we use it only for takeoff, so it's set here. And
Descent level 190, Fairfleet 101.
190 set.
check. So descent checklist completed to level 100, and we are
20 ice.
check.
Easy 46 Quebec, Mike, contact London 133180.
133180, you 46 Quebec, Mike.
Yeah, it's always important in clouds to have engine anti-ice on.
And Fairfleet 101, fly heading of 275.
Heading 275, Fairfleet 101.
275 set.
Check, and we left clouds, but anyways, we picked some ice. You can see it on the wing.
1239,
Yes,
Euros
okay.
and 35A, good day, bye-bye.
Not so much ice left.
London, Fairfleet 101, request descent.
Fairfleet 101, descent flight level 160.
Descent level 160, Fairfleet 101.
Thank you, climb flight level 170.
Descent level 90, Fairfleet 101.
190 set.
Check. Birmingham, good evening, Fairfleet 101, descending level 90, with heading 290, information Bravo, SAAB-340.
Fairfleet 101, Birmingham radar, good afternoon to you. Vectors RS runway 15, current information is Charlie number 2.
We'll check Charlie number 2 for LS runway 15 with vectors Fairfleet 101.
Okay, I will check new weather.
Transition level, flight level 75.
Runway 71 Delta G, descend flight level 8.
Approach to runway 1050, runway is 15. Transition level, flight level 75.
Anti-ISO.
Check. Speed still here.
007. Please head out to 4000 feet, Connect 1007, 171 Delta Julia.
Okay, outside the clouds.
Check.
Perfect 101, thank you for that. Contact tower 118.305, goodbye. Perfect fine, 8082. Stanley 101, Birmingham tag, continue approach, runway 15, wind 210.
And I used reverse, so I do 2 minutes cooling because I used reverse thrust. So this was the flight. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment. It was Konstantin Fedchenko, your aviation expert, and Daniele Fagiani, of course.